combination of words I could put on the back of a postcard. No song that I could sing, but I can try for your heart. And our dreams, and they are made out of real things, like a shoebox of photographs with sepia tone loving. Love is the answer, at least, for most of the questions in my heart, like why are we here and where do we go, and how come it's so hard. And it's not always easy, and sometimes life can be deceiving. I'll tell you one thing, it's always better when we're together. It's always better when we're together. Yeah, we'll look at them stars when we're together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. Moments just might find their way into my dreams tonight, but I know that they'll be gone when the morning light sings or brings new things. For tomorrow night you see that they'll be gone too. Too many things I have to do, but if all of these dreams might find their way into my day-to-day scene, I'd be under the impression I was somewhere in between, with only two, just me and you. Not so many things we got to do.
Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, oh, they long to be close to you. Oh, on the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkle moon dust in your hair of gold and starlight in your eyes of blue. And oh, that is why all the guys in town, they follow you. I know they follow you around, just like me. Oh, they long to be close to you. And girl, I know you know, they long to be close to you. So close to you, so close.
Woke up early this morning.
clouds up far behind me, where trouble melts like lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow. Bluebirds fly, birds fly over the rainbow. Why, oh why can't I see trees of green and red roses too? I'll watch them bloom just for me and you, and I think to myself, oh what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the brightness of day, the dark say good night, and I think to myself, oh what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of the people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, singing, how's it, how you? They really sing, I love you. And I hear babies cry, and I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than we'll ever know. And I think to myself, oh what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, oh what a wonderful world.
Freckles in our eyes are mirror images, and when we kiss they're perfectly aligned. And I have to speculate that God himself did make us into corresponding shapes like puzzle pieces from the clay. And true, it may seem like a stretch, but it's thoughts like this that catch my